Oppo A5s guys. Select nyo lang Oppo, tapos type mo lang dyan Oppo A5s, tapos yan guys sa taas yung pinili ko. Tapos ito lang guys, yung factory reset saka plus FRP. Yan. Tapos volume up, volume down, saksak USB. Tapos wait nyo na lang guys yan na tumakbo. Ayan, pagkatapos nyan, erasing ang FRP, okay. Erasing yung Cerdita, okay. Okay guys, set up na lang natin. Guys, wait na lang tayo guys ha. Realme version 1 lang yung guys. Yun yung aking selection. Factory reset plus FRP. Okay. Ayan na guys, select na natin. English, United States, next, continue, skip, continue, continue. Ayan guys, more, accept, skip, continue, set up a new Oppo phone, get started. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Dadadomsi, pitik ang ating YouTube channel guys. Thank you. Okay. Yes.